because nothing can work in Kenya when William Ruto is in office. For us to bring to an end abductions and killings of young people, William Ruto must exit from office. For us to restore our education system so that our children can go to school, they can access free primary and secondary education, our university students can have loans, William Ruto must exit from office. For the economy to get back on form, for us to restore our economy, William Ruto must be one term. What we are saying is, before we can get our country back, before we can restore the dignity of the payslip, William Ruto must exit from State House. And that is why the Kenyan people in unison have agreed this one term. To an extent that today, the president and his deputy cannot hold an organic meeting. All their meetings must be at our tent where people have been vetted and paid so that they can avoid people singing one term. You saw what happened during the opening match of the Chan football tournament. The president and the governor of Nairobi had to purchase all the tickets, and the tickets were given to officers from the Kenya prisons, NYS personnel, and supporters of Governor Sakaja and MCAs aligned to him, so that they don't have an organic group in Kasarani, so that they don't sing one term. In the process, they were not able to distribute all the tickets, despite organizers having said that all the tickets have been sold out. Most of the seats were empty because, against the FIFA rules, all the tickets were purchased in bulk so that they give them to their supporters, so that they avoid the situation of people coming to say one term. But I don't know what they'll do, because on the day of the voting, they would have to pay everybody in Kenya. And even if they pay them, they will still have to come and vote for Ruto to be one term. So it's a prerequisite for us to restore Kenya, for us to restore our country, for us to restore our economy, for us to restore the dignity of the payslip, for us to have our children safe from killings, for us to have Kenyans doing business in a good environment. William Ruto must be one term. That is the movement we are spearheading, and I can tell you it is unstoppable, and it's going on. And probably they were thinking it's Riggy G who is behind it. I've been out of Kenya for the last 5 weeks. The one term movement is even stronger than it was when I was in Kenya. So it's one term.